Whether you're refining your skills or learning new tips, this step-by-step guide will help you achieve precise, beautifully shaped brows for your clients. Using the Satin Smooth Professional Starter Kit, remove the warmer lid and place the wax can into the warmer well. Turn the warmer switch to the on position and set the temperature dial to high to heat the wax. Once the wax reaches a syrup-like consistency, lower the temperature to a level that will be comfortable for the skin. Always test the temperature of the wax on the inside of your wrist before beginning the waxing service. To cleanse brows, apply Satin Cleanser to a cotton round and gently cleanse the skin around the brow area. Ensure the area is clean and dry before waxing. Using a spoolie brush, gently comb the brow hairs up and out, following the natural direction of hair growth. For perfectly shaped brows, use a brow marking pencil. To mark the front of the brow, hold the pencil vertically from the dimple of the nose to the inner corner of the eye. For the arch, position the pencil diagonally from the dimple of the nose to the outer edge of the iris. This will guide your wax application for precise shaping. For the tail, tilt the pencil from the side of the nostril to the outer corner of the eye. Take the small waxing strips and cut them lengthwise in half for the perfect size strips for waxing brows. Using a petite applicator, apply a thin layer of wax between the brows in an upward motion. Place a waxing strip over the wax and smooth the strip firmly upward. Hold the skin taut with one hand while quickly pulling the waxing strip in a downward motion, keeping the strip close to the skin. With a petite applicator, apply a thin layer of wax above the brow, starting from the inner brow and extending past the tail. Apply the waxing strips in two parts. First, place a strip from the arch to the brow tail, smoothing it in the direction of the tail. Hold the skin taut and pull the strip from the tail end upwards. Immediately press the area gently with your fingers to alleviate any pain or discomfort. Then, place a strip over the section from the inner brow to the arch, smoothing it towards the arch. Again, hold the skin taut and pull the strip quickly towards the center of the brows. Apply pressure with fingers to the area. Using a petite applicator, apply a thin layer of wax below the brow, starting from the inner brow and extending towards the tail. Apply the waxing strips in two sections. First, place a waxing strip over the section from the arch to the tail, smoothing the strip towards the tail. Hold the skin taut and pull the strip quickly from the tail towards the arch. Apply pressure with finger to the area. Then place a strip over the remaining wax, smoothing it from the inner brow towards the arch. Hold the skin taut and pull the strip quickly towards the center of the brows. Gently comb the hair up and out. Use tweezers to remove any remaining stray hairs that fall outside the established brow line. Using the spoolie brush again, brush brow hair up and trim any hair that extends beyond the brow line. Apply Satin Release onto skin where any wax remains. Massage into skin to remove any excess wax residue. Then apply Satin Cool with a cotton round to soothe and cool the skin. Finish by applying Satin Hydrate to moisturize and leave the skin smooth and silky. For brow cleanup, brush through the brows with the spoolie one final time to achieve a perfectly groomed and polished look. With these expert techniques and the Satin Smooth Professional Starter Kit, you're ready to create flawless, perfectly shaped brows for your clients.